Holi, the festival of colors, its cultural significance, and the sweetest Gujiya recipe. What if I told you there's a festival where you throw vibrant colors, dance to lively music, and indulge in the most delicious sweets and snacks? Welcome to Holi, the Hindu festival of colors. But Holi is more than just a splash of colors. It's a festival of joy, unity, and tradition that dates back over 2,500 years. And today, we're diving into the history of Holi, its rich cultural significance, and of course, the most iconic Holi sweet, Gujiya. So grab your colors, get ready to celebrate, and let's make some mouth-watering Gujiyas. The story behind Holi, a festival of triumph and love. Holi isn't just a festival, it's a story of victory, devotion, and playful love that has been celebrated for centuries. But where did it all begin? The legend of Prahlada and Holika, victory of good over evil. Hiranyakashipu, a tyrant king, wanted to be worshipped as a god, but his son, Prahlada, was devoted to Lord Vishnu. Furious, the king's sister, Holika, tricked Prahlada into sitting on a burning pyre. But thanks to divine intervention, Holika was burned, while Prahlada emerged unharmed, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. This is why, on the eve of Holi, bonfires, Holika Dahan, are lit to burn away negativity. Holi also celebrates love and unity, inspired by the mischievous Lord Krishna. The legend of Radha and Krishna, the festival of colors. As a child, Krishna playfully smeared colors on his beloved Radha. This started the tradition of throwing colors, symbolizing love, breaking barriers, and celebrating together. Holi isn't just about mythology. It's about coming together, embracing joy, and of course, indulging in amazing food. Holi traditions, more than just colors. Holi is celebrated with joyful rituals that bring people closer together. Throwing colors, Rangwali Holi. The most famous part of Holi. People smear each other with colors, forgetting social differences and embracing unity. Holika Dahan, the bonfire ritual. On Holi Eve, bonfires are lit to symbolize burning away negativity and making way for positivity. The Grand Holi Feast. But what's a festival without food? Holi is packed with festive treats, from sweet Gujiya to cooling Thandai. So, let's get cooking. Let's make Gujiya, the sweetest Holi treat. Alright, it's time to make the ultimate Holi sweet, Gujiya. These deep-fried dumplings are crispy on the outside, sweet and nutty on the inside, and packed with traditional Indian flavors like cardamom, saffron, and coconut. Ingredients. For the dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup ghee or clarified butter, 1/2 cup water, adjust as needed, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the filling, 1 cup koya, mawa, dried milk solids, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup grated dry coconut, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds and cashews, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, optional, for extra flavor. For frying and garnishing, oil or ghee for deep frying, 1/2 cup sugar syrup, optional, for extra sweetness. Slivered pistachios for garnish. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the dough. In a bowl, mix flour, salt, and ghee until crumbly. Gradually add water and knead into a firm, smooth dough. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2. Make the filling. In a pan, heat koya on low flame until it turns golden and soft. Add coconut, powdered sugar, nuts, raisins, cardamom, and saffron. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then let it cool. Step 3. Assemble the gujiyas. Divide the dough into small balls and roll each into a 4-inch circle. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of filling in the center. Apply water on the edges, fold into a half-moon shape, and seal tightly. Use a fork or Gujiya mold to create decorative edges. Step 4. Fry to perfection. Heat oil or ghee on medium-low flame. Fry the Gujiyas until golden brown and crispy. Drain on a paper towel. Step 5. Optional sugar syrup coating. Boil half a cup sugar with a quarter cup water to make a sticky syrup. Dip each Gujiya for a glossy finish and garnish with pistachios. What's your favorite Holi dish? Are you Team Gujiya, or do you love a refreshing Thandai? Let me know in the comments below. Do you love learning about food history? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a delicious deep dive into culture and cuisine. And if you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon, link in the description. Happy Holi, everyone! See you in the next delicious episode.